Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the TikTok app on your iPhone. And without further ado, let's start right in. Now to download and install the TikTok app on your iPhone, go to the App Store of your iPhone, and you can see there is the App Store just above the settings. Tap on that App Store and search for TikTok. You can see the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap over there and search for TikTok like this, and hit on search again, and you can see guys there is the TikTok app available at the top of the list. Tap over there like this, and you can see the download button available over there. Click on download, and after a few notches the download process will be initiated from the App Store to your device. You will have to be a little bit patient because it takes a lot of time, about 2 minutes or 3 minutes to install the app. And if you're done with the process, the TikTok app will be installed after a few seconds on your device. And there guys, the TikTok app has been successfully installed on our iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.